It's another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the Rode Wireless Pro. So I'm really excited to get the Rode Wireless Pros. We have the unboxed, unopened kit ready to go. So let's see what we've got. What I like about the Rode Wireless Pros is obviously you get your two transmitters and your receiver, and you also get 32-bit float recording. Everybody at the moment is talking about 32-bit float recording, and what that means is you can record backup audio into the units and you will have safe audio that you can use. So if it gets too loud or too quiet, don't worry, 32-bit float has got you covered, and you can use that audio to bring it back, pull down the levels if you need to, and have a clean and crisp sound. So let's get into the boxing. Let's have a look. So let's do the unboxing. I've made an absolute pig's ear. I've opened this lid. It is the glue that they use. What I like about these microphones in particular is that they are actually offering you a different offer to the Rode Wireless Go 3s. So we've got two boxes to begin with. One is the charging case. What else have we got in the box here? We have a USB-C charging label that is rated for 50 gigabits and 60 watts, says there on there. You've got your safety and regulatory information and also a quick start guide. So we've got the cable, but actually what we've got are these two handy, I'd describe them as pouches, but what you'll notice on this one here is you've actually got a USB-C port, a button and a battery indicator there, because that is the charging pouch for the unit. In here we have the accessories, so let's have a look in this. So what's good about these as opposed to the Rode Wireless Go's is you actually get a load of accessories with not only the pouch and the charging case, but you get obviously some USB-C adapters, that's for iPhone. You get the standard mic input there, and you also get some, by the looks of it, magnet mounts that you can use for filming. It's a very handy pouch this to keep, oh, there you go. And you also get silica gel, which you need to get rid of, a camera lens wipe, and then what I'm quite excited to see are these lavalier microphones right here. So you get two lavalier microphones, and what you'll notice on the Wireless Pros is you have now an attachment to secure the jack into the transmitter so that you can't accidentally disconnect it. Not that I've had a problem with those in the past. And then of course you've got the lavalier mic just here. So that is the input. And then you've got the various accessories such as the clips, the dead cats, micro dead cats to put on there. There's also a warning not to strangle yourself on the microphones, which I think is a very nice touch. So in there you've got two magnetic clips that come together, and you've got all of these different bits and bobs that can plug in. Very well equipped package, and really quite excited to use them. What's nice is you can have the two pouches this size, and they can go together quite comfortably, quite small, quite unique. Let's have a look in the next pouch. So we've got this nice pouch. It is like, do it on the microphone. It's quite a solid, hard case pouch which will protect. And then what you've got with these is an inbuilt charging dock. Charging our Wireless Pro Wireless Go microphones in the past has always been a bit of a chore, because what you've had to do is plug an individual USB lead into each one. The beautiful thing that the Wireless Pro has, let's get rid of that peel, there we go, is they have a charging base. So this is the first transmitter. You've got a 3.5mm mic jack on the top to plug in those lav mics, and also you've got the screw thread on the edge there that you can see that will help you secure that in. You can also record audio straight into the unit, and you've got a button to handle the connection, the muting and the recording, and you've also got the standard power button as you've had with all of the Rode. If we look at the other units, What I quite like already is these units are quite firmly in. Take off the peel there. So this is the other transmitter, and then you've got the receiver, and you can see that the transmitter is already transmitting to the unit and you're getting all of the levels. What strikes me as the receiver on this is it's quite a nice bright unit. You can see the screen really easily, and it'll be really good to see what settings we can get into. You also plug these in to USB into your computer, and you can use the Rode app, which is fantastic, and you can set it to record backup audio. So you can have one unit feeding in to the receiver, recording audio on that unit, and then you've also got this unit that records audio on this unit, and that also feeds in. You can then hook that into the camera and play both either in a mono or stereo format. It's up to you. So you can either have it on 2 channels, so you can master the audio individually, or you can put it in a single channel and a stereo channel, and you've just got a blunt instrument in terms of editing. It depends how much control you want. But the good thing is these units offer that. Really like the look of these units. Nice gloss feel to the outside, and obviously they've got the clips on the back there that people can use as you do. I've never had an issue with these clips to date, and they seem to have the same build quality. So a nice tidy package, I think you can agree. I think the charging case is a fantastic addition, and this will allow us to not only protect the gear, but also provides us with a fantastic solution regarding charging, because all we have to do is pull out the units, slot them in, and they've got a place to live. Looking after your gear is so important, and actually this is really easy to use. Look how easy it is to plug those in. They are secure, they're not going anywhere. And what we could do, pop the lid on, plug the cable in, job's a good one. So that is the unboxing of the Rode Wireless Pros. If you want to know more and see them in action, keep an eye out, because we will be doing a video where we test them and put them in action.